Before Ian started dumping devastation across the southeast, the storm rapidly intensified to a Category 4, turbocharged by low wind shear and warm ocean water. Just like 30 other storms over the Atlantic in the past 5 years that gained monstrous strength in less than a day.
With climate warming, we see an increase in the sea surface temperature. So that basically means there's more fuel available to allow those rapid intensification events to happen.
Gary Lackmann is an atmospheric science professor at NC State University, currently examining storms that have caused heavy flooding and modeling how they'll look in a few decades.
And that's really what we're using to help, battle test the infrastructure to make sure it's ready for the future storms.
The Department of Transportation is using that information to create more resilient roadways, hopefully preventing submerged highways, such as I-40 and I-95 that went underwater during Hurricane Florence, as slower storms and rising sea levels caused by climate change increase flooding risk.
And one thing that we have almost complete confidence in is that there'll be more water vapor. And so that means when you have a system like a hurricane, there's going to be heavier precipitation.
Scientists warn that unless the world sharply cuts greenhouse gas emissions, deadly storms are likely to become even more common. Liz McLaughlin, WRAL News.